More news is coming up, but first I want to thank our sponsor this week, Lockjaw Letter Grip. It is the ultimate solution for letter safety, and I have been a fan of its product for years now. Whether you're a roofer, tradesman, or homeowner, you can secure your letter with the Lockjaw in just 5 seconds. No complicated setup, just clip it on, lock it down, and focus on the job, knowing you are safe from slips and fails. Use it for everything from roofing repairs to gutter maintenance to hanging Christmas lights. This device will give you total peace of mind when working at heights. With the 5-star testimonials and reviews, Lockjaw Letter Grip is the way to go safety tool. So why take chances? Get yours today. You can find Lockjaw Letter Grip online, but the best deals is in store at ABC Supply. 2 units are $190, that's a $50 discount. Head to ABC and ask for Lockjaw Letter Grip or go to lockjawlettergrip.com.